airplane. And there's a bird up in our palm tree.
I don't see it. Oh, it just flew away. Okay, there was it.
Now I want to show you where the fire is.
Why don't you show us where the chickens are?
I'll show you where they are. I will show you where their house is. This is their house. I'll tell you who's the store. That's Layla.
Can't see her so well in this lighting.
That's Layla. That's Snowflake.
Hi, girls.
And that's Callisto, and that's Cleo, and that's Stormy.
Yeah, there's all our girls in their chicken coop. Hi, Stormy.
Everything else is now. Can you guess where I am?
Where are you?
Here. I'll show you what this. Now I want to show you a song. Fine, boo. That's all you have to do. See?
That's a silly song. Can you do another song?
Sure. Watch this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I'm coming up the stairs. I don't know where you start.
All right, do a dance.
Ta-da!
Nicely done. Anything else you want to tell your fans?
Sure. See that line? That means it's an airplane. Zooming.
Yeah, I don't see the lines.
Very close.
It's very close.
Yeah.
Excellent. Anything else? We good?